Formative assessments are quick checkpoints that monitor students' understanding of a learning objective. Throughout the learning process, formative assessments allow teachers to regularly monitor students' academic progress, then adjust instruction to meet the needs of students, ensuring that students are on track to meet the end goals. Formative assessments should give insights to differentiated instruction, provide specific feedback directly to students, provide data analysis, which drives instruction, bring awareness to the need for intervention or remediation, be administered with ease and frequency, allow students to compare their performance to the desired outcome. Lennections was designed to make the formative assessment process easy. Lennections allows teachers to use their own materials to quickly create, share and administer online activities. Or use premium action bank activities which contain all professionally written items. These ready-to-go activities quickly assess mastery level for specific grade and subject areas. Each activity is grouped together by common core standards. The Premium Action Bank allows teachers to build their own customized activity, by choosing specific items from the actions banks. Select the grade, subject and standards. Then hand-pick the questions you wish to add to an activity. It takes only minutes to select and assign an activity to your students. Teachers can actually watch students respond to an activity live. Green boxes represent correct responses. Red boxes represent incorrect responses. Assign students a short activity at the beginning of class. As they work on the activity, determine the direction of your lesson based on students' needs. Each activity will provide multiple student data reports. The Actions Analysis and Response Analysis reports break down the activity by item. These reports allow you to drill down to the individual student, and are very helpful when forming flexible groups and understanding students' misconceptions. Standards Analysis reports provide a better understanding of how students are mastering specific academic standards. Drill down to better understand individual students' needs. Results Analysis and Performance Overview reports bring instant awareness to the need for intervention or remediation. Students and parents can log into the student's account to review results. Students can view their responses, the original documents associated with this activity and a detailed activity summary. Roll-up data is available at the teacher, school and district level. Lennections makes formative assessments easy. Lennections formative assessments save time, allowing for more focused instruction. Are easy to use and understand. Provide reliable data. Drive small group and whole group instruction. Improve student achievement. Start making learning connections with Lennections. Have a great day.